Hello students of class 5th. Today we will study computer. We will start chapter 2nd, computer software. So students, in this chapter we will read about software and types of software. So do you know what is software? Let me tell you. Computer software are programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware. Hardware, you know, hardware that we can touch. They help the users like you and me to work on the computer. So basically computer have two types of component. First is software and second is hardware. Software are the programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware, and hardware are the things that we can touch. Okay, so computer system works with two components, computer hardware and computer software. Software and hardware are inseparable from each other. For example, when we buy a software, we actually buy a software stored on a CD, which is a hardware. Okay, so CD is a hardware. Page number 14, types of software. There are thousands of different types of software in the market. All these software can be put into two main categories. Okay, so first is system software and second is application software. So let me know about system software. Okay, so as the name suggests, system, you can understand the term system software refers to all those programs that are meant for the computer system. These software controls or coordinate the internal working of the computer and perform many other tasks to maintain the system. I hope you are understanding. It controls all the internal working. Okay. System software can further be divided into three main categories. Now we are dividing the system software into three categories, that are operating system, system utilities and development software. So let me know about operating system first. Operating system is the main software of a computer. It performs many important functions, some of which are given below. It controls and manages the internal working of the computer. It provides an interface to the users to work on the computer. It helps us to give commands to the hardware devices attached to the computer. Okay, and last one is it helps the other software, application software, to run on the computer. Okay, so now here are some examples of operating system. Like you can see Windows 7, Mac operating system, and Ubuntu. Okay, most modern operating system provide a graphical user interface to work on the computer. In graphical user interface, we do not need to memorize any command. All commands are listed in the form of clickable menus, options, buttons and icons. Okay. After operating system, let me know about system utilities. It is a second software. The system utilities are small programs that help in the maintenance and upkeep of the computer system. Disk defragmenter, disk cleanup, data compression, system restore, antivirus software and so on are some examples of system utility software. So let me tell you about virus. Students, virus is a program that is harmful to our computer data. It harms our computer. Okay, antivirus software track down the viruses. Antivirus software track down the viruses and remove them from the computer. So antivirus software we use to remove viruses from the computers. And some examples of antivirus utility software are given, like antivirus quick heal, McAfee, so on. So next is development software. Development software help us to develop new software, okay, including system software, application software, computer games and so on. You can use development software to develop new software. Here are some examples, also examples to give of development software. Here are some points to remember. A program is nothing but a set of instructions written in a computer language. A programmer is a person who writes computer programs. Many interrelated programs are put together to make up a software. After that, on page number 16, we have application software. An application software is a program that runs with the help of operating system. Okay, it runs with the help of operating system. software and allows the users to make files and do some useful work on the computer. Okay, there are two main types of application software: general purpose application software and customized application software. So these are two types of application software. First is general purpose application software. General purpose application software are the software designed for use by people at large for any general purpose, such as word processing, designing, maintenance, records, making presentation, and so on. Some examples of general purpose application software are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and Photoshop, as we also use them. Second is customized application software. Customized application software are the software specially developed to meet the need of a particular person. Okay, of a particular means an individually person can use it, or organization. An attendance system or a payroll system developed for a particular company are examples of customized application software. Okay, so students, if you have any query or any problem, any questions, you can ask it to me. Okay, thank you.